12th Science Chapter 8 The D and F Block Elements Part 4 Electronic Configuration of Lanthanoids.
Hello students, I am Madhusena, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. Today we will be discussing about F block elements and their electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of F block elements is written as N-2 F1 to 14 N-1 D0 to 1 Ns2. We call these elements as F block elements because the last electron enters into F orbital. The general electronic configuration is given as N-2 F1 to 14 N-1 D0 to 1 Ns2. Now if N is equal to 6, it is known as lanthanoids, or you call it as lanthanoid series. When N is equal to 7, we call it as actinoids or actinide series. Let us work out the general electronic configuration of both lanthanoids and actinoids. Substitute N is equal to 6 in the general equation. You will be getting the general electronic configuration 6 minus 2, 4 F1 to 14, 5D0 to 1, 6S2. This is the general electronic configuration of lanthanoids. You can see here, since the last electron is entering into 4f orbital, we also call lanthanoids as 4f series. Now let's work out for actinoids. N is equal to 7. 5f 1 to 14, 6d 0 to 1, 7s2. Now let us study in detail the electronic configuration of the elements of lanthanoid series. For this purpose, we can work out a trick. Let us work out the trick for this. Now you know that the f orbital can occupy 14 electrons. So I am putting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll just put in a proper manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now you know that F7 is half filled and F14 is completely filled. These two states are stable and do not undergo any changes. So I am just putting the same number below this. Now for lanthanoids, cross number 2 and 8 crossed. Now we will put a series below this. Only thing you have to keep in mind that when you are coming across this cross number, you have to jump one number. So I am starting from 1. Now after 1, the next number comes 2. But 2 is a cross number. So I will jump one number and write down 3. Now the next number after 3 comes 4. After 4 comes 5. After 5 comes 6. After 6 comes 7. 7 has 7 only because it do not undergo any change. The next number is a crossed number, that is 8. So we jump one number and 9. Then I will continue my series. Below 9, 10, below 10, 11, below 11, 12, below 12, 13, and below 13, 14. 14 is already 14. So basically these are the electrons to be filled in f orbital. So now we can use this and we can fill the electrons in f orbital. Now the first element, F block, starts from lanthanum, atomic number 57. Lanthanum is not considered as a member of F block because 4f orbital is completely empty. Now think of a noble gas which is close to lanthanum. So it is xenon. So we can put down the electronic configuration xenon. 4f, lanthanum has no electron in 4f orbital, so 4f 0. 5d, 6s, s orbital is always first filled, so it is completely filled. Now we have to think whether there is any electron in 5d. So I'll just calculate 54 plus 2. 56 electrons are already occupied. What is the atomic number of lanthanum? 57. So 57 minus 56 gives 1. So that means 1 electron is filled in d orbital. Now for rest of the members we have to work out certain phrases. So the first phrase, so I'll just draw a line in between so that I can put down all the elements. First phrase says that center पर नजर दो PM. Center, cerium, पर, PR, नजर दो, ND, PM. So this is one phrase. Center पर नजर दो PM. Atomic number 58, 59, 60, 61. So we can name these elements cerium, then it is praseodymium, neodymium, promethium. So after this we will go on to the next phrase. Shame on Europe. Shame on Europe. SM stands for samarium. EU stands for europium. 62, 63. Two elements. Then third phrase. Good tables are dying. Good. GD 64. Gadolinium. Tables. TB 65. This is terbium. Are dying. DY 66. It is dysprosium. Then we move on to the next phrase. So I am breaking the things. Center पर नजर दो PM. Shame on Europe. Good. Tables are dying. Then the next. Hope in this year time. You will look. Hope in this year time. So hope. HO. Right? Holonium. In this year. Now here we will not use year. YR. It is ER. We will write ER. Hope in this year. We will go for the sound. Year. Right? Erbium. Time. Right? It is thulium. Time. TM. Holium. Then we are having erbium and thulium. Then we are going for the next phrase. You will look, or you can connect both the phrases. Hope in this year time, you will look. So you, we are going for the sound Ytterbium, and will look lutetium. This is atomic number 71, 70, 69, 68, 67. So we have written down all the elements. Now let us put down the electronic configuration. So already xenon is there in the bracket. 4F, 5D, 6S is filled. So I am just putting down this general electronic configuration everywhere, right? So that it is easy for me to work out. 4F, 5D, 6S2. You know S electrons are first filled. So that is why X is always completely filled. 6S2, Xe, 4F, 5D, 6S2. Now I'll do this side later on. Now let us start. Xenon has 54 electrons. Okay. I will start first of all fill my 4F series. First element. F block starts from cerium. 1. 1 is going to come here in 4F. Next element is this. 3 is going to come here. Next element is neodymium. 4 will come here. Next element 5 will come here. Next element 6 will come here. Then 7 is going to come here. Then again 7 is going to come here. Then 9 will come here in 4F. I will stop. Now let me complete my series. Xenon is 54 plus 1, 55, 56, 57. What is the atomic number? 58. 58 minus 57, 1. So D has 1 electron. Let me check for this. 59. 54 is for xenon. 54 plus 3, 57, 58, 59. 59 I have filled, and 59 is the atomic number. 59 minus 59, 0. So 5D is 0. Now again 54 plus 4, 58 plus 2, 60. 60 is filled. 60 is the atomic number. 60 minus 60, 0. Next 54 plus 5, 59. 59 plus 2, 61 filled. 61 is the atomic number. 61 minus 61, 0. Let us move further. Samarium 54 plus 6, 60. 60 plus 2, 62 minus 62, 0. Let us see here. 54 plus 7, 61. 61 plus 2, 63. So 63 minus 63. So here also 0. Check it here, right? 54 plus 7, 61. 61 plus 2, 63. How many we are having? 64. 64 minus 63, 1. So D will have, 5D will have 1 electron. Let us go for the next one. TB. 54. 54 plus 9. Right? 54 plus 6 is 60 plus 3. 63 plus 2, 65. Already 65 filled. 0 here. Okay. Now let us proceed further. So first of all, we are going to put down the general electronic configuration. Xenon, 4F, 5D, 6S2. 5D 6s2 xenon 4f 5D 6s2. Let us work out. So till 9 we have already arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till here 8th element we have arranged. Now from the 9th element, 10 is the number of electron in 4f. 11 is the number of electron here. 12 is the number of electron. 13 is the number of electron. 14 is the number of electron, and 14 is the number of electron here. Now you find out the 5D electrons. So 54 plus 10, 64, 64 plus 2, 66. So 0 here. Same way when you work out for holonium, you will get 0. Same way when you work out for erbium, you are going to get 0. Then for Tm, when you are going to work out, you will get 0. For Yb, when you are going to work out, 0. And let us see for lutetium. This is 54 plus 14, 68, 69 and 70, but we are having 71. So 1 electron will go in 5D. So using this trick, we can easily work out the electronic configuration of these elements. Now, if you are asked to work out the electronic configuration of ions, for example, you are told to work out the electronic configuration of, say, Ce plus 2, cerium plus 2, and cerium plus 4, Ce plus 2 and Ce plus 4. Now, you have to check this principal quantum number. Highest principal quantum number is your valence shell. So, this is your valence shell. Plus 2 means 2 electrons are going to go from here. So, you will have the configuration xenon 4f1, 5d1, 6s0. Now, when this becomes 0, the next principal quantum number is your valence shell. So now the electrons will be lost from 5D. If 5D will also become 0, then the electron will be lost from 4F. So if it is Ce plus 4, so 2 will go from here. The next one will go from here, 3, and then it will go from here. So what you will be having? Xenon 4f0, 5d0, 6s0. So in the same manner, we can work out the electronic configuration of ions of lanthanoid series.